Hey, Lauren and John. Kylie Renna here with RenGen SEO and Digital Marketing. I first wanted to thank you for taking Tony's call the other day and, as promised, get over the short custom video with tips and tricks on how you can improve your online presence all on your own, and in return, bring in more exclusive business buyer or get customers who are willing and able to purchase your services. So, with that, I'm going to go ahead and start on your Facebook page here. It looks like you got majority of your business information filled out. Adding your business hours is going to be beneficial, getting more reviews on your Facebook page, and then also adding a website to your business page. I'm not sure if you have one or not, but that's going to be super, super important, especially for bringing in that organic business and then, not having to pay for ads and all that kind of stuff. Not sure what you're already doing on that, but with that, I'm going to jump over to this website here. I didn't find a website for you, like I said, so I'm going to go ahead and just use a competitor website. I don't want you to be concerned that, this isn't going to benefit you the same. Same tips and tricks will still apply, so don't worry about that. With that, I'm going to go ahead and start talking about content first. Content is king in the eyes of Google, and you may or may not have heard that being said before. It really is true. So Google likes to see about 1,500 words on any page of your website that you're trying to be found for, whether that's a home page, service pages, service area pages, etc., etc. Content isn't just the words that are on a page, but content is also images that are on a page and how those images are saved. Most of the time when I jump on a website, I see people that are just throwing photos on their site that are saved as just generic letters and numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really doesn't help you out at all to do that. Google actually reads what's behind a website. So where we can't see it with our naked eye, Google can. So making sure that all the photos throughout your website are saved as buyer intent keywords, so local buyer intent, keywords and key phrases so that Google can find that relevancy behind your site and get you found for the services that you offer. So with that, we're going to jump into the second thing that we're going to be talking about today, which are citations. Citations are anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number are listed, and that would be through various online directories. As you can see here, I typed in Handyman, Commerce, Michigan, and these are the three businesses that pull up. Various directories would be like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number can be listed. The more that you have and the better quality that you have is what's going to push power to your Google business page and have you be found for these different keyword variations here. Each one of these businesses shares about 25 to 30% of the monthly search volume that comes in for any given keyword variation. Having a little piece of that pie is super nice, especially when, depending on how many different services you offer, there could be dozens of different variations or more. So picking up that search volume, getting more leads, essentially for free if you do it all yourself. So with that, I'm just going to kind of pop into here since I couldn't find a page for you and just kind of give you some optimization techniques for your Google business page. Recommendation number one would be to have at least 25 Google reviews on your page. Easier said than done, but Google likes everything to look really natural and organic. So, where it may take some time to get up to that number, it's a blessing in disguise. Certainly don't add fake reviews, all that kind of stuff. Make sure they're legit. Google is really cracking down on that stuff. Photos. So just like we talked about on the website, having at least 25 photos and then making sure that they're saved as buyer intent keywords and key phrases as well, that they're saved the proper dimensions that Google likes to see. And you can find that out with just a quick Google search. And then geotagging. So making sure all your photos are geotagged so Google can actually say, hey, just ask John, Handyman Service does actually service their customers where they claim to, and you build credibility and trust that way with Google. Making sure that all of your business information is filled out and that your hours and all your other business information matches throughout any social profile or directory site, listing, Facebook, all that stuff that you have. You want to make sure everything lines up the same. This business has some products listed, which is really a good idea to do. Asking questions and answering them. So you can have family or friends go on here, ask questions that you'd like to post on here and then answer them yourself. Having a completely filled out business profile is going to benefit you immensely. We talked about reviews. Having a nicely filled out business description is super helpful. And then posting. So you can see this business here is doing post. Just like you can post on a Facebook page, you can post on a Google business page. What this does is generate traffic to your Google business page, and Google absolutely loves traffic. So the more traffic you have coming to your business page, the more credible you look, the more relevant you look, and the higher up in this map pack or 3-pack you're going to get. Also, creating those social profiles using local business schema to on your website to link all of your profiles together is what's going to help pull these profiles up on your business page. With that, we're going to jump into our last but certainly not least part of this optimization tips and tricks. And we're going to go ahead and talk about backlinks. This is a paid tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs. And what it does is give me a behind the scenes look of any given website and the power that's associated behind that domain name. So a backlink is essentially just one website linking to another website telling Google, hey, Google, this website is trustworthy. With that, not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to make sure that you're putting your website domain name onto relevant, non-spammy referring domains. So construction niche, for example. You wouldn't want to put the name on an ice cream shop because it's not related to handyman services, and Google can actually penalize you for that. So going in, looking at what your competitors are doing, trying to duplicate that and find really relevant, powerful links that can help you establish trust and power to your website is what's going to help you be found for organic keywords and key phrases. I hope this video finds you well, and I hope that it brings you much more business for many, many years to come. If you have any questions or concerns, we encourage you to reach out to us directly, and we look forward to hearing your feedback on this. Thanks so much.